Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Ton wallet account on Telegram. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent chats will be displayed. Now, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and your account settings will open up. Here, tap on the wallet feature from this page and your Telegram wallet will open up. If this is your first time, you may be prompted to get started. The main homepage will look something like this. Simply tap on the settings icon at the top left corner and make sure to enable the Ton wallet. Once done, select the Ton space beta and then tap on the start button to open it up. After that, you just need to back up and verify your email address and your Ton wallet will be ready to use. So that's basically how you can create a Ton wallet account on Telegram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.